Hi, my name is Junikka, and I'm here to discuss with you three books that focus on diverse multicultural groups. First, we will have Patricia Polacco's Thank You, Mr. Falker. This book goes on a journey with a young girl named Tricia who is a struggling reader. She meets Mr. Falker when she has reached fifth grade, and he has noticed that she has struggles with identifying letters and their sounds. His goal is to help her to become a better reader. She has been ridiculed and picked on throughout first and fifth grade, and so this is time for a change. Mr. Falker makes it his mission to assist Trisha with her needs and her desires. And she is able to accomplish her goal of reading successfully and independently. This book would be great for grades 3 through 5. An extension activity to do in the classroom would be have students create a compare and contrast chart to themselves and Trisha and how they relate in ways that teachers can better assist them to reach their goals. Next, we will have A Girl Who Buried Her Dreams in a Can. This is a true story about Dr. Terry Trent, a young girl growing up in the village of Zimbabwe. Young girls are not afforded the opportunity to read or write in her village. Her greatest desire is to go to school and obtain multiple levels of education. She decides to secretly work with her brother to learn how to read and write. Then one day she decides to create the town tradition of burying their dreams in a can so that they can reach those goals and to remember never to forget their home and where they've come from. And so her dream was to pursue multiple degrees of education and to come back and teach the boys and girls in her village how to read and write. A great classroom extension activity to go along with this would to allow students write down their dreams and aspirations on a piece of paper and to create a classroom time capsule and allow those dreams to be buried so that they remember them forever. Lastly, we will have a great book called A Day in the Life of Marlon Bundo, written by Marlon Bundo with Jill Twist. This book will be appropriate for grades 3 through 5, ages 5 through 8. This book goes on a journey with a young bunny named Marlon Bundo who lives in the White House. He meets a young friend named Wesley. And Wesley is a boy bunny who he wants to spend his best bunny days hopping out with every day. So they decide that they want to get married. This is not okay according to the stink bug. The stink bug tries to make a law that boy bunnies cannot marry boy bunnies. Boy bunnies should only marry girl bunnies. This goes on a lovely journey between two bunnies and how they fight for what they believe in and to stand up for themselves, and how their friends banded with them in order to work together to overpower the stink bug. This book is a great way to teach diversity and acceptance of those that may be different from us. A great way to utilize this book in the classroom would to be allow students to have a classroom debate to support or go against what the stink bug and Marlon Brando believe. These books will be a great way to incorporate diverse multicultural groups in the classroom, and I hope you remember to check them out. Again, we have Patricia Polacco, Thank You, Mr. Falker. We have The Girl Who Buried Her Dreams in a Can, a true story by Dr. Terry Trent. And we also have A Day in the Life of Marlon Bundo, written by Marlon Bundo and Jill Twist. Thank you. Bye-bye.